Good morning, everyone. My name is Hector. I'm coming to you live from New York, Rockland County. Today I will be performing an oil change using the Fumoto valve, part number F106, which is fitted for my 2016 Honda Accord. Now, as you can see, I have it all set up down there. I already have it draining. Or it will be, I will be soon draining. And we'll just get this party started. Make sure you warm up the car for 30 minutes or so whenever you're about to perform this oil change. And make sure safety is paramount. Cut to my ugly mug. I'm here underneath my car, and as you can see, here's the Fumoto valve. Now for my Honda, the Fumoto valve, the 2016 Honda Accord model, you need the part from Fumoto. That's the F106 November. All right, that'll be Foxtrot 106 November. So what I did here, I put a zip tie, and so too much oil is coming out at the same time. It does not come out of its little nipple there. So I'm gonna cut to draining it. All right, we're gonna start draining. Looks like the little safety notch that was here came off. That's not good. Here we go. It's draining. It is draining. All right. Now I use Valvoline 020. That's exactly what I'm gonna use today, which I got at Walmart. So I got a filter at AutoZone. I turn in a little battery, they give me a $5 discount. Plus I use a military discount on top of that. So that's what's up. Now when it drains out, I will be removing the filter. Now about that wrench, I've never used it. I wanna know if it'll do its job properly. If it'll be able to open it out. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. We'll cut to that. Now I would like to take this moment right now to thank my boy Kalika Saga, who not only is he very knowledgeable on cars, but he also helps me. He lent me these ramps right here, which he got on Facebook Market for like 20 bucks. So I didn't have time for that, so I just passed by yesterday and picked it up. It's just, it keeps the tire in place. Right there, just drive it up. As long as you have something here to stop it from going forward. Well, I'm just doing this while it keeps on draining the last of the oil. I kept this on for like 20 minutes, 25 minutes, just to make sure I heat up the oil right. Alright, so I got done with the draining. Now I'll put this here, and I locked it. Good news, I found the clip that goes down there. And the Fumoto clip, must have taken it off. And the filter, I put the filter on, forgot to record that, but everybody knows how to put on a filter. The most important thing is this baby right here. So, we'll put on my little safety clip. There we go. It's a little loose too, but I got a problem for that. another zip tie. Sorry about that. Oh, kind of came loose here. All right, and now I just put a zip tie on this, like so I can use it for the next time. I don't want to remove this. I'm just gonna curl this up there, and that's it. All right, I'm finally gonna put the zip tie on and call it a day. I would have rolled it up here, but I don't know what's gonna get tangle on, so I'd rather just give it a nice fold like so, and put this part underneath the plastic joint. I know it won't come out, and just tug, keep it tight. I use clippers. That's it. Just add oil and let it run. For those who don't know what type of oil to use, it says right here, 0W20. There we go. Now some people use a funnel. I'm not gonna use that. Here we go. It says right here, once you guys go to the store, what you'll be looking for. And then just add it onto that right there. Adding it, I will add the whole thing. Alright, you guys gonna have to let it run now, and then I'll reset right now. While I'm doing this, I'll reset the oil life per centimeter. Alright, now to reset this completely, you'll keep your finger right there and you stare at the 5% oil life that's in the dashboard, and just you're gonna press this, and then I'll start beeping. I'll start flashing. There you go. Come on. There you go. And that's how you reset that to 100%. Now, what I also like to do is go here. I like to reset this. That way, I know how long has it been since my last oil change. Just keep it running. Probably go around the block a few times. You know, get it moving in, get that oil moving in there. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. I'll try to put up, depending on how good this video does, I'll try to put out more content. So thank you for watching this and have a blessed day.